Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple bullets in one line in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we can see here many slides. Now we want to add multiple bullet point in one same line. Click the new slide option and choose blank. Then go to the insert menu, select the text box option and draw two text box side by side. Then we go to the fast text box, then write anything. Now I am write some name. Then select the second text box and write another text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the bullet point option. Then go to the fast text box and select the bullet point option. Then make side by side. Now we can see we make or create bullet point same line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.